Hey everyone, Ali Hussein from H2 Team Orlando, Keller Williams The Parks, and we are currently live here at an open house in Casselberry at 113 Norris Place. Let's check it out. There we go. Now we are of course practicing all the CDC guidelines and social distancing. So we have very strict rules. We've got contactless check-in. And of course, I've already wiped down all the nice open floor plan here. Let's see. So to your left, you have two bedrooms. You have a bedroom up front here, which is pretty spacious. Next to that is a bathroom, sorry. But this is what I'm entirely tickled with, is this room here. It's essentially a den, or an office. But look at the built-ins, man. It's amazing. I mean, that's like perfect for a home office. As you enter on the right-hand side, you have the laundry room and garage. We have a open area here for a dining room. And then the major great room here. With access to the great room, you have a wonderful extra bedroom here, perfect for guests. It's actually very large. It's very spacious. Goes on closet. Coming back out, we have this fully equipped kitchen with fridge and dishwasher and microwave range. We have a covered patio. Which opens up to a fully fenced backyard. Actually partially fenced, but yeah. And then the master bedroom here. So it's got a split master bedroom so that it's on the opposite side of the house. Has a tub and shower. This house is actually in the Casselberry area. So it's close to like UCF, and it's in a great location off of 1792. Anyway, so we'd love to come show it to you if you got time. Sorry, I know I didn't. I normally start these right immediately after I get here to the open house, but pretty much I got, every time I try to turn around, I had another person walk in. So anyway, listen, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please come by and check it out, or tag someone if you know they're looking in Casselberry or even might be looking in this area. Thanks.